video is about my next project, which is to paint the walls of my kitchen with a design, and the design is inspired by the jungles of Rousseau. And the reason I'm starting the video in my living room is because last summer I painted the walls of my living room with a design. So I thought it might be interesting to show you that. Now, the reason that I decided to paint the walls was because I have these curtains, which I love, and I couldn't find any wall covering that would go with the curtains, because I wanted a pattern. I didn't want them just plain. So I thought the best thing to do in the end, just came to me, paint them myself, because then I could pick out complementary colours. And actually I was so pleased with the way it turned out. I couldn't have been more delighted, really. So, so that's the living room, and I'll now take you through to my kitchen. So I actually bought paint for this job last summer, but I got very busy at work, so it's been sitting there and waiting. And this coronavirus lockdown is an opportunity for me to finally do it, which I'm very pleased about, because it's been in the planning a long time. So these are the books I've bought for my inspiration. So for people unfamiliar with Henri Rousseau's work, he painted jungle scenes. He never actually left France. These are all from his imagination. But they're vibrant and they're lush, and the reason I thought they would go well in this room is because we have a very small garden that gets no light at all, so we have planted it up with basically dark green, ferny, ivory, grassy sort of plants, and I thought the colours and design elements in the jungles of Henri Rousseau would go really well. So this is the before film. So Nigel's going to do a sweep around the kitchen so you can see what the before is like. And then hopefully, and this was the arch we built at the end of last summer, which has been waiting for us to even do the first coat on. And the plan is for me to make some Islamic tiles to go on the underside. And again, that's still in the planning stage, but I will do that after I've done the painting, because I want the colours to complement the kitchen. So, so yes, you can see what my kitchen looks like now, and hopefully in a few weeks, because I think this will take me a long time, you will see the new and hopefully improved kitchen covered in jungle. So thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy the videos of me painting. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.